Gartmore Waterfall is situated in Muskelia town of Nueva Elia, which is 25 meters in height. Gartmore Waterfall, located inside the Gart estate, falls on the Muskelia Reservoir. It is fed by two streams which join above the Gartmore Falls. Each of these streams create a waterfall before joining and lies inside the Gartmore estate. These two waterfalls, named Upper Gartmore Falls and Lower Gartmore Falls in combinations, are called Gartmore State Waterfalls or Gartmore Falls. The way to get into the Gartmore Fall is travel Colombo to Hatton through Avisavilla Gingathena Road, then travel to Muskelia and continue along the Gartmore Road. Still you reach the waterfall. Enjoy the beauty of nature without even keeping a footprint. Thank you for joining with us. Travel of Sri Lanka. Like, comment, subscribe and keep on touch for more videos.